In the heart of Western Oregon, a former Southern Pacific main line traverses a long, wide valley between the Cascades and Coast Range. Described in the 1820s as a land of flowing milk and honey, the Willamette Valley stretches 150 miles between the cities of Eugene and Portland. The abundant small towns, farms, and factories are fastened together by a network of rails, feeding an important segment of the I-5 corridor known as the Brooklyn Sub. Join 7 Idea Productions as we tour the busy main line. Hotshot Z trains sprint through the valley. Heavy crude oil and grain trains from Canada rumble south for destinations in California. And busy locals switch industry up and down the line. In addition to UP, several branch lines feed the busy I-5 corridor, giving us an interesting variety of power, such as the Coos Bay Rail Line. The Portland and Western. The Albany and Eastern. And the Oregon Pacific Railroad, among others. 8 Amtrak trains run through this busy corridor, including Amtrak's Coast Starlight and Cascade's Talgo trains. In Portland, Max Light Rail trains are everywhere, adding to the variety. Get ready for 2 hours of great railroading entertainment. Western Oregon has a lot to offer rail fans, and you'll see why in Willamette Valley Main Line, Union Pacific's Brooklyn Sub.